It is a hydraulic mount. Hey, what's going on everyone? Gareth here with FCP Euro, and today we're going to do another really quick product review. So what we have here are a couple of engine mounts from the F25 X3 and the F26 X4. These mounts will vary depending on what engine is equipped on your particular vehicle. But one thing to know about these engine mounts specifically is they bolt directly to the subframe. So there's 3 mounting tabs on the actual housing of the engine mount itself. And they are mounted with these one-time use fasteners. But just like any engine mount, when these start to fail, you're gonna know right away. You're gonna get a lot of vibration through the cabin of the vehicle. And these engine mounts in particular, this design, while they're fantastic for normally absorbing a lot of that vibration, when they start to fail, it becomes very obvious very quick. One of the things to look for on these specifically is this upper mounting piece right here where the engine physically sits on. So this little stud right here and this little mounting surface here is what the engine is physically sitting on. If this engine mount were to fail, it is probably going to happen here in this area. That's going to be the weak point. So I'd say roughly 50,000-ish miles, you're going to start keeping an eye on these. If you've noticed any pickup in drivetrain vibrations as you accelerate or as you decelerate, this is an area to start looking. Also, on the engine mount kits we also make sure that the left-hand mount and the right-hand mount where applicable is included. Sometimes the same mounts used for both, but it is always necessary to replace engine mounts in matched pairs. Usually the right-hand side engine mount is going to receive the most amount of abuse because as the engine is revving, it is physically pushing down on top of that mount while it's pulling from the left-hand side mount. So never replace them individually, replace them in pairs at the same time. You'll be good to go for plenty of years to come after that. So you're shopping around on our website, fcpeuro.com. If you're looking for the engine mounts for your specific model vehicle, make sure you enter your year, make, model, and submodel in this case in the My Garage feature on the website to make sure you're getting the proper engine mount replacements for your vehicle. Hope you learned something. If you have any questions or comments, go leave in the comment box below. Make sure we get back to you. Also hit that like button if you like what you see. Also subscribe. I got plenty more automotive content on the way for you. And as always, I'll see you for the next one. Later.